Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're upgrading a light in the fifth wheel. It was a regular one bulb, boring incandescent fixture, and we're going to LED 3 vivid light modes. Whoop whoop. So I made the mistake when ordering this. I thought the switch that changes the shade of lighting, basically from like bright white to light white to yellow white, was a switch to control the light. It is not. So in order to switch on and off the light, because in this RV almost all the lights have the switch on them, like this one that I'm taking down, I had to take the switch from the old light and install it in this one. So that part was a wee bit tricky, but I'm going to show you guys how it was done. So after, of course, taking off the basic wiring, black to black, white to white, this fixture is a 120 volt fixture. Make sure when replacing fixtures in your RV, you're paying attention to if it's 12 volts or 120 volts, because it does matter. Yes, it's a big difference. This is 120 volts. So this light replacement works in that way, but the switch was not there, like I said. So I had to take the switch off of the old light, and I use my conical bit to tap into the side of this one to install the switch. Ever so carefully drilled it. Had to make sure I wasn't hitting anything else important. Here we are. Voila. Pretty simple. So just using the same washer and nut assembly and put it in there. Now you're going to want to make sure you tie the black from the switch to the black from the light. Right? So these have the push-in connectors, which is very nice and convenient. Tied away there. Went ahead and installed that, made sure it was clicking freely and nothing was in the way. Had to cut back a little bit of that foam. Now we're ready to install it up in the ceiling. So we already have the switch installed to the black line. Then the other line from the switch is going to go to 2 black wires coming out of the ceiling, as you see here. All the whites go together. Those are your neutrals and 120 volting, and the ground goes to the bare copper. The rest is super simple. Screw it up into the ceiling and put your cover on, and you've got your LED light that now also has a push button switch on the side. You're welcome.